devastated by Hurricane Katrina earlier, is now dealing with the worst damage, unfortunately. Trucks tossed on their sides. Look at this. Transformers swallowed up by the twisters, power lines ripped away. Some families who survived Hurricane Katrina are now having to rebuild again.
Yeah, we heard from one woman who had her house just totaled by Katrina, and now once again. So your heart goes out to the people in Louisiana who are dealing with that. Fortunately, nothing like that impacted us around here.
Yeah, and to clarify what said at the bottom, parishes devastated by tornadoes, that's what they call counties in Louisiana. So we're not talking about specific churches being affected, although I'm sure a few were, but it was just county-wide damage in some spots around New Orleans. Around here, well, we had some strong storms yesterday and last night again, but now just a little bit of fog as we look towards downtown Nashville. The buildings aren't quite as clear as they ordinarily are, but that fog is much thicker and more widespread in eastern Middle Tennessee. 1 mile visibilities in a lot of locations in that half of the mid-state, and a little bit showing up near the Tennessee River and near the Buffalo River as well in western Middle Tennessee. Temperatures right now, well, they're all over the place. 56 degrees in Nashville, 58 degrees in Murfreesboro, but only 47 in Clarksville. It's 46 in Hopkinsville and Paris. It's still 61 degrees right now in Savannah, so a 15-degree difference just up and down the Tennessee River, and that same contrast is going to be with us all day today. Temperatures will dip a little more in Nashville, and then we'll bounce back up to around 60 by noon and into the low 60s this afternoon. But look at the north to south or northwest to southeast contrast, staying around 50 degrees in the northwestern corner of the mid-state, and then into the upper half of the 60s in southern Middle Tennessee, closer to 70 along the Alabama state line. It's that contrast that's going to give us the better chance of showers and a few thunderstorms firing back up late this afternoon and into this evening. Best chance is going to be around early evening. Can't rule out completely the possibility of an isolated severe thunderstorm. Damaging winds would be the main threat, those gusts over 60 miles an hour, maybe some small hail, but overall it is a marginal risk of severe weather in the late afternoon and evening hours. Tomorrow, cold air, a few flurries along the Cumberland Plateau, but we don't expect any accumulations at this point. It's a one-day, basically a 36-hour cold snap, because we start warming up on Friday. We'll be very warm but unsettled over the weekend. Melanie?
All right.